Hello drivers, this is David Foster, Bay and Bay Safety Manager. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the upcoming CVSA Brake Safety Week coming up, August 25th through August 31st. The focus, obviously it's on the brake systems, in particular your brake pads, making sure that they're not cracked or worn down too low. Your brake drums and your rotors, making sure that there's not any rust indicating a brake is failing or not applying pressure to the rotor or the drum. But they're going to be doing other things such as air system bleed down tests, verifying that there's no leaks, and checking your air lines, air hoses for rubbing, chafing, really everything that has to do with the air system on the truck. What we really need you drivers to do is do thorough pre-trip inspections, post-trip inspections, and that includes that air system bleed down test. I know it's a lot of times it seems pretty easy for drivers to get complacent and say, it was fine yesterday, it's going to be good today, but we really need you to fight that urge. We need to get good clean inspections. Every clean inspection you get, you'll end up getting a $50 bonus for clean ones. And just we want to make sure that not only our equipment is safe, but you're safe going down the road. So thanks for all that you do out there. Be safe, and let's get a bunch of clean inspections.